These switchers, what we love about these switchers is they start at $5.95 for the 2-port switcher. The V1HDs are 4. They're $9.95, and then the V1HD is 8 sources. But what you do is you combine it with an encoder, and we've gone through the encoder. So I'm going to ask if we could get on this camera. I'm just going to pick up a pair of things as an example of what you can do. I could have this Roland V1HD going in HDMI into this Matrox encoder, and now I can mix my show with up to 4 cameras, encode it, and stream it, and record it with the Matrox product. Another thing that I could do is I could take it and I could go to a Live View Solo. Now I can use the Live View Solo if in my church or my school and I have Wi-Fi or wired internet, I can go with the Live View Solo with this product. But also what's cool about the Live View Solo is I can get it with cellular modems for cellular bonding. Why is that important? Maybe your church or your school is in an area that you don't have a good Wi-Fi, you don't have a good internet connection. Well, this brings your internet connection with you. Maybe where you want to teach from, you're a teacher or you're who doesn't have good Wi-Fi, or more than that, maybe you're a preacher and you can't get to your church now because it's sealed off for whatever reason, but you still want to give your sermon on. Well, you can walk outside with this product, and as long as you can get a bar on your cell phone, it'll work. It takes 2 cellular signals, one from AT&T, one from T-Mobile, puts them together in what they call the LRT cloud service, and now you can bring high-speed bandwidth with you wherever you are. And this product works great with a lot of the products up here. So let's say you have a Sling Studio, or you have another type of mixing system in your church where you just want to be able to encode and stream. Add the Live View Solo at $9.99. Now you can encode and stream from where you are, or if you need to be, like I said, out in the field or an area that doesn't have internet, you can use the cellular bonding, which is super cool. And here, now if we could bring this up, I just want to go into here are some of the cellular, some of the encoding solutions we have that we went through the last show. We have the Live View Solo, HDMI 995, SDI 1495. Teradek makes their Video Go, and we have the Matrox Monarch family as well. And these encoders, like I said, can work with the existing mixing solution. Maybe you have data video mixers or mixers from another company that don't have streaming. Add the encoder and you can stream. Some of them, like the Matrox, will let you record your video in high resolution full HD while you're streaming in a compressed video. You can do that. That's very cool, and that's one of the reasons we love the Monarch encoder.